In this video, I'll show you how to connect GitHub to Claude Code and set up the Claude GitHub app. Before we start, we need to install the GitHub CLI. Let's do that first. Open your web browser and search for GitHub CLI. Then, open the official GitHub CLI website. GitHub CLI brings GitHub directly to your terminal. It's free, open source, and available for Windows, macOS, and Linux. Based on your operating system, select the installation option that works for you. If you're using Windows, you can choose either Winget or MSI. I'm using macOS, so I'll choose Homebrew. Let me copy this command. Now, open your terminal, paste the command, and press Enter. Within a few seconds, GitHub CLI should be installed successfully.
Next, we need to authenticate GitHub CLI with our GitHub account. To do that, type auth login and press Enter. This will start an interactive login process. First, it asks where you use GitHub. You can choose github.com or another host. I'll select github.com. Next, choose the preferred protocol for Git operations. I'll select HTTPS. Then, GitHub asks whether you want to authenticate Git with your GitHub credentials. Type Y and press Enter. Now, choose the option to log in with a web browser.
You'll see a one-time authentication code. Copy or note down this code, then press Enter. A browser window will open where you can authorize GitHub CLI. Paste the code here and click Continue. Next, authorize your GitHub account by clicking Authorize GitHub CLI. Once you see the congratulations message, the authentication is complete. You can close the browser tab and return to your terminal. Now, GitHub CLI is ready. Step 2. Launch Claude Code. Next, we need to launch Claude Code. Open a project in VS Code or use any IDE that you normally work with. I'll open my project in VS Code. Now, open the integrated terminal and type Claude. Then press Enter to start a Claude Code session. You can see the Claude Code interface here. Great! Step 3. Install the Claude GitHub app. Now for the final step. Inside the Claude Code chat box, type /install-github-app and execute the command. This command will install the Claude GitHub app and connect it to your repository. Claude Code will ask you for a GitHub repository URL. Let me open my GitHub account, go to Repositories, and select the repository I want to connect. I'll copy the repository URL, return to VS Code, paste it here, and press Enter. Now, a new browser tab will open with the Claude GitHub app installation page. Simply click Install. You'll then be redirected to GitHub to authorize the application. Here, you can allow Claude to access all of your repositories or restrict access to specific repositories. I'll choose the specific repository option. I'll select my repository from the list and click Install and Authorize. Then click Finish Connecting GitHub. And that's it. GitHub is now connected to Claude Code. Let's return to the VS Code terminal. You can see that the Claude GitHub app is now installed. Claude Code also gives us the option to set up GitHub Actions workflows, or skip this step for now. I'll choose the first option and set up the GitHub Actions workflows. You can see that 2 GitHub Actions will be installed. I'll press Enter to continue. Next, Claude asks us to choose an API key. I'll choose the option to create a long-lived token using my Claude subscription, so I can use it with both Claude and Claude Code. A browser window will open and ask me to sign in to my Claude account. I'll log in, authorize the connection, and complete the setup. Now, let's return to the VS Code terminal. You can see that the GitHub Actions workflow is being created. After a few seconds, Claude Code creates a pull request in the GitHub repository. Review the pull request, and if everything looks correct, click Create Pull Request. And that's it. We've successfully added the Claude Code GitHub workflow to the repository. Now you can use Claude Code as a GitHub pull request assistant. Let's test it. Let me show you how this works in practice. I'll close the current terminal and open a new one. Then I'll launch Claude Code again. I'll ask Claude Code to clone my GitHub repository. Claude asks me for the repository URL. I'll paste the repository URL here and press Enter. And you can see that Claude Code is cloning my GitHub repository successfully. Once the repository is cloned, I'll ask Claude to install the dependencies and start the development server. Claude Code is now installing the node modules and all the required packages. And finally, it starts the Next.js development server on my local machine. As you can see, everything is working successfully. So now you have GitHub connected to Claude Code, along with the Claude GitHub App and GitHub Actions workflow.